How to change personal info on Robinhood. In this video, I'll show you how to change personal information on Robinhood. First, make sure you have downloaded Robinhood on your phone. If you are iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and if you are Android user, you can download it from Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open Robinhood app. Make sure to log into your account. After you log into your account, you will see this home page. Here, tap on profile icon on the bottom right corner. Then click on this three line on the top left corner and click on settings, and there you will see personal information option. Click on it and change the required information according to your preference. Or you can also go to your profile icon, and here you will see the search bar. Simply type in the change you want to make. For an example, if you want to change your email, type in change email. Click on this option and you will be access to change your email from old one to new one. So this is how you can change your personal information on Robinhood. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.